Hello, dear friends, welcome back to Showman Nath's YouTube channel. Today, I'll talk about mental health and how to reduce stress, pain, and anxiety related with your upcoming examination. So, please do watch carefully. And before that, I would like to request you please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Showman Nath's YouTube channel, right news at right time. So, let's start. Say it's important for you to take care of your mental health while you are in college or university or in any institution and you are studying. Basically, you are a student. So, for doing that, there are a few steps that will help you. And let me tell you step by step what are the things which you need to do. The first step for mental peace and to reduce stress is get good sleep. And how you are going to get good sleep, that is also very important. To get good sleep, turn off all technological devices you are having. The lights and energy from cell phone, computers, and television can trigger your mind to stay away. So please switch off all these gadgets. Even a ringing phone can interrupt the sleep you are getting. So let me tell you, please do it. That will definitely help. The next thing is building support network, and how we are going to do that building, network which will support you. Let me tell you that building a support network is a mental health tip for the college students uh, that should be done by everyone. And how you are going to do it, you can do it by calling a friend for a talk, and when you're having a very bad day, as well as you can email to your friend. Now lots of chat apps are available, you can go for a chat. And even you can have the your support network, which includes like your friends, maybe family members, maybe your friends of friends. So all these people are going to help you to building a support network, and that support network with whom you can share your thoughts, because we are social animals and we need someone to share something. So this is very very important. Now let's move towards the third part, the third step, which is very very important, that is get active. And how you are going to get active? uh, Now, when you have likely to heard that mental health and exercise leads to a happier mood. And when you go for this exercise, and this exercise will help you to not only sleep better but have more energy during the day, and concentrate better on assignments during the tests, as well as it will give you a moral boost up also, as well as a feel good factor within yourself if you wake up early in the morning. So there is a proverb like go to bed, uh, sleep early, sleep tight, and wake up bright. So this is very important for you all. Now sorry, my next step to all of you is eat a healthy diet. uh, a healthier food that better regulates your mood and your body. You'll be able to release certain chemicals which will make you feel good. Like we are having a very bad habit of drinking coffee or tea at night. So as well as lots of junk food. This junk food make us awful and physically and mentally. So eating healthy meals that includes fruits and vegetables each day will offer positive benefit. I know it's difficult for us, but with this lockdown situation, if you want to do it, please go for lots of vegetables. Now the next point what I'm going to discuss is reward yourself. Now this is one of the most important part, my dear students, in our life. Recognize your value and worth. Reaching the goals you set as well as accomplish difficult tasks. These are not just the things you prove you are doing a great job, but rewarding yourself for all your hard work is mental health tip for all the students. Not why I'm talking about all the students. It is for all human beings. It is for us, and. If you reward yourself, your enthusiasm to work on a next project will definitely boost up. So with this we come to an end to this session. Thank you very much for being a member of my channel. With this I come to an end. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you, and please reduce your stress. If you believe in me, follow the steps. Bye bye.